Hey y'all, welcome to 8 Teresa's Kitchen 6-9, where we love to play with a recipe. Today we are smoking a chicken. How long you gonna smoke it for, Sneavy?
Hour and a half.
An hour and a half. Slow cook this baby. She's been marinating all night. We just rubbed all our Sneavy spice on her for 24 hours in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna show you what that looked like. And these baby, 4 slabs of ribs, y'all. We marinated 24 hours in the refrigerator with our Sneavy Love That Spice. So we're gonna let them slow cook for 2 hours, and I'll be back to show you what they look like. Woohoo! So look at these ribs.
St. Louis style, babe.
They are so delicious. The
Baby
spices,
with Sneavies. Love that
the
spice.
9 unique blends of spices, just so delicious. And we made a homemade sauce.
Yes, we did.
But you can get your own favorite sauce. Woohoo! So let's
And
go
the
check
chicken
on
over
the
there
chicken.
is looking for you.
Woo. And look at the chicken. She's cooking up so deliciously. And love, like, subscribe, share my channel. For all your recipe ideas, go to 8 Teresa's Kitchen 6-9 and order you some Sneavy spice from sunroomproducts.com. And enjoy the summer grilling.